Hello friends, hello everyone, my name is Sylvic and you're welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to extract phone numbers from any WhatsApp group. Okay, the first thing you want to do here is to go to your browser, right? Just type Chrome Web Store or extension. Okay, now you see the first link here, Chrome Web Store. Click on the link. All right, we're already on the Chrome Web Store. So here you have to type email and phone extractor. All right, it's the first extension you are seeing here. You can see I already have this installed, so you will just click on it. Then at the top right, you will see where you have to add to Chrome. So but I already added, that's why you are seeing remove from Chrome here. Okay, so and this is the extension at the top. Next, you want to go to your WhatsApp, and this is the group I want to extract all the phone numbers from. Okay, so I will click on the group. All right, you have to go to info of this group. Okay, so this is the group info. Now you scroll down. You must make sure you expand this view all. Okay, you click on view all, then you scroll down here again, okay, to the end. Next, you will want to click on the extension, and once you click on the extension, it will automatically display all the numbers in the group. Okay, so once it displays it, you can now select all and copy. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that the next time we post a video like this, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in my next video.